Good morning, you guys. This is the second time trying to record this voiceover. You guys are gonna see my hair progressively get worse throughout this video. I am sorting through cups and dishes and all sorts of things. I am going to put a trigger warning at the beginning of this video because I am going to be talking about my weight and what I'm doing to deal with it. That is a clean bread pan that we use for ice. I am currently trying to get back into my weighted hoop, and I am walking at least 20 minutes on a treadmill on a daily basis. I'm struggling with it to try to get it off, but I am unfortunately headed towards the 140 mark. So there's that. Ooh, we're dumping water everywhere. Okay. There was so many dishes at this point, I didn't know what to do with all of it. Yeah. So, trying to figure that out. At the end of the video, you guys will see singing and dancing and whatnot. So that is... if I don't do that, it's not my video. You guys know this. Okay, this is a cup that did not want to come clean. I was trying to clean it, and it would not come clean. So you're gonna watch me fight with that one for a while. Different cup. Again, fighting with these damn cups to get them clean. The cups that we usually would use, we can't currently find them in our storage unit, so we're stuck with small ones. Okay, this is my water bottle that I'm currently using. It's what we've been using because we can't find our large mason jar cup things that we use. I'm gonna put the entire bucket of ice in there because I like ice cold water. I'm not a fan of room temperature water. I will drink it that way if I have to, but if I don't have to, I'm not going to. I'd rather wait an hour for the ice maker to do its thing, give me a full basket of ice, and figure it out from there. Okay, we had some laundry to do, so I had to wash some of my headbands. I was fighting with these stupid straps to keep them up, and I was thinking about maybe putting a safety pin on the back of this shirt. The ice maker is going off again. So I washed some of the headbands, and I had to put some of those away. I use the headbands to do my makeup. You guys can see how bad my hair is getting. It's only gonna get worse from here. This is a video that I have had stored for quite a while. Again, if I don't sing and dance in my videos, it's not my video. I enjoy doing it, and I don't really care what people think about it. Some of you seem to really enjoy it, so I don't mind doing it. I never did it before because I didn't know how people were going to react to it. I had to put some hand sanitizers away. Yeah. Noticed that my phone case and my water bottle were the same color, smack my stomach because it's in the way. What else are we gonna do? Oh, we're going to, I don't know what this is called. A soft measuring tape, I guess. But this is how I put them away. It's the stupidest thing. But I wrap it around my hand, obviously. Make sure that it's all even and whatnot. And then I crunch it up, like fold it in half almost. Not quite in half, but I fold it down. And then end up putting it away. Again, singing and dancing. I have no idea what song this. Oh, see, now we're just making it worse. And now we are going to go vacuum. Okay. Jesus Christ, my vacuum really needs to be cleaned. The trash that you guys see by the trash can actually ended up getting picked up, and then I went around it with a small, like, hand vacuum, if you will. I don't know what it's called, but, I forgot to record that, so, kinda is what it is. Anyway, we are coming to the end of the video. I love you, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Bye, guys.